Hello everyone, today gonna play game Spider-Man T Part 2 from Java Emulator and I will play right now. Take it easy and I will come to that part of this hard game. You don't want easy, you can skip it. They are hard game. You need to find the by side Reddit. If I go under with him, I can punch him. Now he fast to me. I need to fast better than him if I want to be win. Now, our Spider-Man will heal me. He already down of his heal. I need to win him now. Just punch before, but he is still faster than me. I think he can heal like me. Just faster than him. Just find something like space for punch. Okay. Yeah, I can conquer him now. I think this part gonna be okay. Now I'm gonna become like back Spider-Man and I will take it by part 2. Thank you for watching everyone. Goodbye and see I play game later.